Okay, we are at Furnace Lake, and Helen just hooked a muskie. So we're trying to figure out how we're going to get it in the boat.
Once you figure it out, let me know.
Well, what we're going to do is we're going to try to...
Oh, there it goes. Here it comes.
Okay, just let him wear himself down a little bit. Keep pressure on it. Whoa. Yeah. There he is. Here's a jump.
They jump?
Oh, yeah, they do. Oh, man. You want to try to...
I'm just going to let him have to wait with it.
Yeah, don't rush it. Savor the moment.
That's not a tiger.
I don't know if it is or not. Oh, baby, look at that. Yeah, I'm trying to get as much video as I can.
Coming back.
Oh, please, no.
Yeah, I'm going to try and bring him through. Ready? There it is. Oh, I got it. Oh.
Yes, sir. Mark the time. It's 12:27. We got out on the water about 9 o'clock. Beauty. I think it is a tiger. And that was on a large shiner. Alan brought shiners with him.
You should see what these teeth look like.
I know. Here, rig? Oh, we got a rig. Okay. Whoa, baby. Oh, we got to get some still pictures too now.
I don't want to lose it.
All right, I'm going to switch to still mode.